Hello, this is Aaron again, and today I'm gonna play Minecraft with shaders mod on. It's actually pretty laggy because I'm recording, and the shaders mod make it beautiful and it makes you lag. So I didn't have a mod, it's just the APK that I downloaded from YouTube. Yeah, I download Minecraft from YouTube. Just letting you know. Okay, now let me try this. Okay. Okay. Let's find some wolf, or let's just get a wolf. And let's get a bone. Oh, that's not what I want. Okay, here we go. Come on. Let's get a nice color. Blue dye. I can see it. It's just weird. Or something like that. Let's get a food to feed my wolf. Oh, come on. Do not run away. Wait, try actually going here. I will follow. It would be awesome if you can name them. Wait, let me make this. No! I do not like that. Let me get a iron sword and hit that. My dog is gonna kill it. Right? Let me just sit in. I can see a waving grass, and even the water have been changed. You can now see underwater. You can now see the under of the water. The under, of the water. You can now see it. Ooh, this is a nice cave. Just a deep cave. Wow, this area is big. And what did I just see there? What is that? Let me actually try to get here. Maybe I shouldn't have do that. Oh well. I'm just gonna go now. And forget that thing. There's a lot of iron in here. So where did I came from? Okay, here we go. Here's the trail. No, I'm not gonna go there. I miss my wolf. Here we go. As you can see, there's a things in there. You can now see it. And even if you go in a tree, you will see a shadow. And my Minecraft looks realistic, don't it? Oh, thanks. No, just kidding, it's just me. So, where's my wall? Deep hole in the lava. No, I make him sit. Where? Oh, I lost my dog. How sad. Let me make a... Let me get a soul sand if I got any in this version. Oh, I thought that was an entity. But it's just the waving plants. Now let's just make it out of dirt. And the wall. Sign. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna sleep in my dog's grave. And he teleported somewhere. And how hard, sad. Sorry about that. No. Look at that. Awesome graphics. It would be amazing if you have a no cube mod. Then it's complete realistic. Oh. Let me just put a rest and peace and wall. No, I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna make it like this. No, that's right. plus 4. Oh, let's just put last increase again. Nine, so there we go. Perfect. Okay, guys, this is just a showcase of the shaders mod in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So yeah, that's the video for now. So goodbye now, but don't forget to subscribe.